Hello, friends! Welcome back to Learn Real Life English. Today, we're going to talk about discipline, what it is, why it's important, and how to practice it every day. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can understand and repeat. Let's begin. Discipline means doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like it. It is the ability to control yourself and follow your plans. Here's a phrase. Discipline helps me reach my goals. Repeat. Discipline helps me reach my goals. Examples of discipline in daily life: waking up on time, doing homework before playing games, eating healthy food instead of junk food. Discipline is not always easy, but it is very important for success. Discipline helps you build good habits, save time, improve your skills. If you are disciplined, people trust you more. Your teachers, friends, and coworkers will see that you are responsible. Here's a phrase. Discipline makes me stronger. Repeat. Discipline makes me stronger. Here are some tips for practicing discipline. Make a plan. Write down what you need to do each day. Start small. Begin with one habit, like making your bed every morning. Avoid distractions. Turn off your phone when you study. Reward yourself. After you finish your work, take a short break or enjoy a snack. Example sentence: I follow my plan every day. Repeat. I follow my plan every day. Sometimes you will feel tired or bored. That's normal. When this happens, remember your goals. Think about why you started and how good you will feel when you succeed. You can also have a friend or family member check your progress. This will help you stay on track. Here's a phrase. I stay focused on my goals. Repeat. I stay focused on my goals. Today we learned about discipline, what it means, why it's important, and how to practice it every day. Discipline will help you reach your dreams. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and comment about one way you practice discipline. See you in the next episode!